We are on site today at the new American Remodel Home in Las Vegas. This is a cutting-edge home showing all the latest trends in the building industry. So they're installing the Olympus railing system by AGS stainless. This is a really nice install because it's not your typical install. You can see that the treads are precast concrete, and so there's a little bit different methods that you are going to use on this kind of install that you wouldn't typically use on a wood staircase, for example. This video will show from start to finish the install of our Olympus railing system by AGS stainless. Thanks for joining us on site today as we saw the installation of the Olympus railing system by AGS Stainless. This one wasn't your typical installation, so hopefully you were able to learn some tips and tricks that we used and put them to good use on your next project.